Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You're signed in and ready. Go straight to the offending video and open its menu. Click the three-dot icon on the video or thumbnail and select Not Interested to tell YouTube you don't want that recommendation. Once done, pick Tell us why and choose Already watched or don't like this recommendation so the algorithm learns faster. This first action is immediate and effective because it supplies explicit feedback instead of passively skipping content. Next, refine control by removing the source. If a channel keeps appearing, choose Don't Recommend Channel to stop all its videos. Make sure to clear or pause your watch and search history in settings so past views don't keep feeding similar recommendations. Also remove specific videos from your history to directly unlink those signals. If you prefer a stronger fix, consider browser tools or the YouTube feedback form. Both give additional signals that accelerate the algorithmic change. Finish by reviewing your home and recommended feed to confirm the unwanted content dwindles. The algorithm needs a little time to update. If you still see those videos, enable extensions that filter keywords or channels, or turn on restricted mode for tougher control. Make sure subscriptions aren't reintroducing content, and unsubscribe if necessary. Troubleshooting tip: if recommendations persist after 24-48 hours, sign out and clear cookies.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.